Hi students, differentiation we have seen so many formats, differentiability, then implicit function, how to do inverse trigonometric function and parametric form, and then using logarithmic how to differentiate the given function, these 5 types, and then second derivative we have seen, how to use the second derivative in parametric form also we have seen. Now we are going to see some more questions for parametric form and some extra questions we will see. So today I will wind up this topic differentiation. Now let us see the question. X is equal to this given, y equal to given, find the second derivative d square y by dx square at theta equal to pi by 4. Now I am finding dx by d theta. Dx by d theta, a into differentiation of cos minus sin theta plus log 1 upon tan into differentiation of tan sec square theta by 2 into differentiation of theta by 2 1 by 2. Am I correct? Now if there is any possible do simplification, that is minus sin theta. Okay, fine. Now this is 1 upon 2 into this becomes sin by cos 1 by cos square. So we have sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Am I correct? Now that is equal to a into minus sin theta plus 1 upon what is 2 sin a cos a, sin 2a. So that becomes sin theta. Am I correct? Now that is equal to again a into this becomes 1 minus sin square theta, the whole upon sin theta. Now that is equal to a into 1 minus sin square becomes cos square theta upon sin theta. That is dx by d theta. Clear? Okay. Now I am taking y equal to a sin theta. Now differentiate this. This implies dy by d theta, that is equal to a cos theta. Am I correct? Now we need dy by dx. dy by dx equal to dy by d theta into d theta by dx. We are using parametric form. So a cos theta into d theta, taking its reciprocal sin theta upon क्या है a cos square theta. Am I correct? A will be cancelled, cos will be cancelled. We are getting tan theta. Now we need a second derivative, that is d square y by dx square. Now we are differentiating theta with respect to x. Am I correct? That is sec square theta. Tan theta differentiation into differentiation of theta d theta by dx. Now that is equal to what is sec? That is sec square theta into d theta by dx. Taking its reciprocal. So that is sin theta, the whole upon a cos square theta, a cos square theta. Now substitute, they are asking d square y by dx square, that is d square y by dx square at theta equal to pi by 4. Now that is equal to, instead of theta if I keep pi by 4, so that is equal to sec pi by 4 ka whole square into sin pi by 4 into sin pi by 4 the whole upon, that is a into cos pi by 4 ka whole square. Am I correct? Now that is equal to, we are getting this is root 2 ka whole square into 1 by root 2 the whole upon a into 1 by root 2 ka whole square. Am I correct? 1 by root 2 will be cancelled, root 2 square becomes, that is 2 root 2 the whole upon a. So this type of question they will ask a 4-mark question. This is one of the most important questions. So how to use second derivative in parametric form. Now another question, let me start one more question. I am taking this parametric form, that is x is equal to, another question is, that is another question I am taking, that is if x is equal to a into theta minus sin theta and y equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, find d square y by dx square. Find d square y by dx square. Now anyhow, first of all you find dy by dx. Now dx by d theta into a into 1 minus cos theta. Now we have formula a into 2 sin square theta by 2. Am I correct? Now dy by d theta equal to a into 1 is 0, cos the differentiation minus sin theta. Again we have formula sin theta can be written as 2a sin, that is 2 into sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Am I correct? Okay, fine. Now what we require, dy by dx. dy by dx equal to dy by d theta minus 2a sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Now the whole upon 2a sin theta by 2. Am I correct? Sin theta by 2 will be cancelled, a cancel, this cancel, that is equal to, we are getting, I hope so, that is a cos theta by 2. Now this is 2 sine square. What is the formula? 2 sine square theta by 2. One sine will be cancelled. We are getting cot theta by 2. Am I correct? Now we are differentiating again, that is d square by dx square. Once again keep in our mind we are differentiating theta with respect to x. Now cot differentiation is minus cosec square. Am I correct? Into differentiation of theta by 2, 1 by 2. Into differentiation of theta, d theta by dx. Am I correct? So don't forget to do once again theta with respect to x. So that is equal to minus cosec square theta by 2. The whole upon 2 into d theta by dx, take its reciprocal 1 upon 2a sine square theta by 2. Sometimes they will give parametric also, so that is equal to, we are getting, that is equal to, if suppose if they ask at theta equal to here pi by 2, at theta equal to pi by 2. So then you have to find the d square y by dx square, keep instead of parameter, so that is equal to minus cosec pi by 2 रखोगे, that is pi by 4 cosec square, the whole upon 2 into 1 upon 2a sin pi by 4 ka whole square. Now replace the value, this becomes root 2 ka whole square or upon 4a into 1 by root 2 ka whole square. So this root 2, 4 will be cancelled, minus 1 upon a. Are you clear everybody? How to use this parametric form in second derivative. Okay, it is quite easiest one. So once if you are doing parametric form, then second derivative you should don't forget to do differentiation of this parameter with respect to whatever the variable. That's keep in mind. Okay, fine. I hope so. This is enough for you for this parametric form. Okay. Now let us see some simple questions in differentiation. Anyhow, I have given total, that's already told you, I have given total 6 topics. So you take it more practice, then only you comes to know, because this is quite a difficulty topic. Why you are feeling difficulty topic? You are not remembering the formulae. That's why you feel always it becomes difficult. So what I am saying, first you remember all the formulae, then start do, it is quite easiest one. And whenever you are doing, keep conscious in your mind when you are using product rule, when you are using quotient rule, all the rules and regulations you have to remember, then start doing it is quite easy. Now let us see some simple questions. Now I am taking another question, number 1, some simple question. If y equal to cos inverse of, that is 3x or plus 4 into under root of 1 minus x square, the whole upon find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Okay, fine. Now how to find dy by dx? See cos inverse, you must bring this function into simplest form first of all. Don't do directly dy by dx. That is quite difficult to get answer. So better you choose suitable substitution. Now this can be written as cos inverse of, we can write 3 by 5x plus 4 upon 5 into under root of 1 minus x square. Okay, fine. Now see, this is I am taking substitution, x is equal to cos inverse. I need any, how I need inside this cos of something. X is equal to, I am taking sin theta. Okay, and suppose 3 by 5 equal to sin a implies automatically cos a value is 4 by 5. Am I correct? So I need this implies what is theta value? Sin inverse x. Okay. Now this implies tan a value I am finding. Why I am finding tan a value? That's I will tell you later on. So this implies a equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. Now see y equal to, substitute all the function here. So 3 by 5 is sin a into cos theta. That is our substitution is sin theta. Am I correct? Sin theta or plus, that is 4 by 5 is cos a into under root of 1 minus sin square becomes cos theta. Now what is the formula? Cos inverse of cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. What is the formula? Cos a minus b. Am I correct? Cos inverse cos cancel. Our target is to cancel this cos inverse. Anyhow, so that is equal to a minus theta. So y equal to, that's why I brought one common a. So that is instead of a we can replace tan inverse 3 by 4 minus what is the theta? Theta is a sin inverse x. Now differentiate, so dy by dx is equal to, that is equal to, this is entirely constant, so it becomes 0, that is equal to 0. Sin inverse x, you know the differentiation under root of 1 minus x square. So the final answer is 1 under root of 1 minus x square. Clear to you? So this type of question will come. So how to do this, how to bring this function into simplest form, try to learn this one. Okay, so maybe in terms of sine inverse, in terms of maybe tan inverse, like this you have to try yourself. Okay, now let me take another question, simple question. I am saying how to do differentiation. Okay, fine. So now another question I am taking, that is question number next one. Suppose if the question is given like this, for example in inverse trigonometric question like this, I am taking sine inverse of 2 power x plus 1 into 3 the whole upon 3 power x the whole upon 1 plus 36 power x. Find dy by dx. Okay, what I am saying, the given function is inverse trigonometric. Give suitable substitution so that you can remove this inverse. That is your target. Okay, fine. Now how to simplify? Now see, sine inverse. I am writing this can be written as 2 power x into 2. I can write. Am I correct? Now 1 plus this also, that is 36. I am writing, so now right now keep it at 36 only. Now that is equal to sine inverse of this. I am writing 2 into 6 power x. I can write basis same, I can multiply both. So now this also I can write 6 power x ka whole square. Is it possible? 6 power 6 square 36 power x we will get. Now can you remember any formula related to C? 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So what is the substitution? So 6 power x is equal to tan theta. Am I correct? This implies theta equal to tan inverse of what we will get, 6 power x. Now y equal to sine inverse of, I am giving substitution, 2 tan theta the whole upon 1 plus tan square theta. Now that is equal to sine inverse of this. What is the formula? This is sine 2 theta. Am I correct? Now y equal to, we are getting 2 theta, that is equal to 2 into what is theta here, tan inverse of 6x. Am I correct? Now dy by dx. Now that is 2 upon, you treat this is tan inverse x, tan inverse x differentiation is 1 upon 1 plus x square into differentiation of 6x, ax differentiation ax into log a. What is log a? A is 6. Clear to you? So how to do this is one of the most important question. Now let us see another question. What is another question? Now are you clear this one? Now let us see. So inverse trigonometric question given means you should know what is the suitable substitution to neglect this inverse trigonometric. Now another question, for example another question I am taking, if y equal to sine inverse of, another question also, this is inverse trigonometric question, that is x square into under root of 1 minus x square, then minus x plus x into under root of 1 minus x power 4. Find dy by dx. Otherwise sometimes they will ask to show that or prove that dy by dx is equal to 1 upon, that is dy by dx is equal to minus or 2x upon, that is 2x upon under root of 1 minus x square, and then plus 2x upon, otherwise 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. Let us see the answer, we will know, we comes to know after doing differentiation. Now let me take the question, sine inverse of x square into under root of 1 minus x square plus x into under root of 1 minus x power 4. Okay, fine. So I want to remove this sine inverse. So 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 4 terms total. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. It becomes sin a plus b. So now what is the suitable substitution? So take x square equal to sin a and this x is equal to sin b. Am I correct? I am taking x square equal to sin a and x is equal to sin b. This implies what is a equal to sin inverse x square, and outer part this one I have taken substitution, and b equal to sin inverse x. Am I correct? Now see, now y equal to sin inverse of x square. What is x square? Sin a. This x you have to give substitution under root of 1 minus sin square b. Am I correct? Plus, then only you will get formula x. What is x? Sin b. Into under root of 1 minus, take this x square equal to sin a. What would be x power 4? Sin square a. Otherwise you will not get formula. Sin inverse of, we are getting sin a cos b, or plus this becomes cos a sin b. What is the formula? That is equal to sine inverse of sine A plus B. Am I correct? That is equal to A plus B. Y equal to. Now y equal to what to say as per substitution? Sine inverse x square. Or what is B? B substitution is sine inverse x. Now do differentiation dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to x square differentiation 2x sine inverse under root of 1 minus x power 4. Am I correct? 1 minus x for x square whole square. What is the differentiation of sine inverse x? 1 upon 100. So that's they are saying this. Clear to you? Okay. So how? Like this, you have to choose a suitable substitution for this question x, so that you can remove this inverse trigonometric. Then easily you will get a differentiation. Clear to you? Now this is simple question I am taking. So like this you have to do more practice. First you start do this question. Then you have to take NCERT book, sample paper, all questions you can do it a practice. Another question I am taking, suppose if the question is given, if x power p into y power q, that is equal to x plus y whole power p plus q, whole power p plus q. Then that is prove that dy by dx is equal to, prove that dy by dx is equal to y by x. Suppose if you are doing directly, that is quite difficult to get answer. Some question you have to learn, you have to learn how to use a log, how to use the method so that we get easily answer. For example, x power p into y power to x power x plus y whole power p plus q. So take it a log both sides, it is quite easiest one. Log x power p into y q equal to, that is log what we will get to x plus y whole power p plus q. Am I correct? Now log m into n log, so that is a p log x plus q log y. Am I correct? Log m into n log m plus log n, log m power n x n log m. That's I have used formula here. This here we will get p plus q into log what we will get at x plus y. Am I correct? Now differentiate this p upon x or plus differentiate this q upon y into differentiation of y. Don't forget to do this one. That is equal to p plus q upon what we will get x plus y into differentiation of log differentiation is 1 upon this into differentiation of this is dy by dx. Okay, fine. Now collect all dy by dx once. Dy by dx is equal to, this is q by y and then minus dy by dx is this p plus q upon x plus y. That is equal to the remaining term we have p plus q upon x plus y minus p upon x. Now simplify this dy by dx, that is qx plus qy minus py minus qy, the whole upon x plus y into y equal to what we are getting here, px plus qx minus px minus py, the whole upon x into x plus y. Am I correct? Now see this qy will be cancelled and here is px will be cancelled. Now see numerator x plus y will be cancelled. I think numerator also cancelled. This implies we are getting dy by dx equal to y upon x. Very easily you will get answer. Am I correct? Now suppose I think maximum questions we have seen. So what I am saying, whatever I have done the questions, do it, try to understand yourself, then start doing NCERT questions. Then after that, if you have completed NCERT, then take any one sample paper, you go through it. Can you remember how to do the questions? Just remember all the formula, recall all the formulae. So easily you can solve all the questions. Don't get unnecessarily tensed. Anyhow, my best wishes to you and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.